Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the Vechain cryptocurrency live price prediction. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and cross my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much. Please cross my 2k subscribers. Subscribe now. Thank you so much. As you can see here, the live price prediction of last 1 hour of Vechain cryptocurrency, the change is positive 0.5%. In the high price in the last 1 hour is $0.084738 is the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last 1 hour. And now the current price of the Vechain cryptocurrencies is $0.084738 is the current price of Vechain cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the graph of the Vechain cryptocurrencies in the crypto market, so it's a growing up. As it's a good time for Vechain cryptocurrencies to buy a Vechain cryptocurrencies and make a good profit. So it's a jumping time of Vechain cryptocurrencies. Buy it and make a good profit. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going 2 hour, what's going in the last previous 2 hour of Vechain cryptocurrency. As you can see here, the last 2 hour result of the Vechain cryptocurrencies are also good, as you can see here. But the last 1 hour period they are fast down, but in the last of this hour they are start jumping again. So it's the best time to buy Vechain cryptocurrencies and make a good profit. That is the live price prediction of last 2 hour you are watching now, and the currently price of the Vechain cryptocurrencies is $0.084738. So that is the live price prediction you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.